Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Gather all ingredients before you start to keep timing steady and prevent overmixing later. Gather 1 cup sugar, 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup butter, 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and prepare an 8x8-inch pan by lining it with parchment or greasing with 1 tablespoon butter. Measuring precisely matters because 1 cup sugar and 1 cup flour create the correct balance for fudgy texture. Start by melting 1/2 cup butter gently over low heat or in short bursts in a microwave. Cool slightly. Whisk in 1 cup sugar until blended, then beat in 2 large eggs one at a time, stirring until glossy. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch of salt, then sift in 1 cup flour and 1/3 cup cocoa and fold with a spatula until no dry streaks remain. Do not overmix. Stop when streaks disappear to maintain a fudgy, dense crumb. Pour the batter into the prepared 8x8-inch pan and smooth the surface with a spatula for even rising. Bake at 350 degrees F for 22 to 28 minutes. Ovens vary, so check at 22 minutes. Test doneness by inserting a toothpick in the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not raw batter, for fudgy brownies. Cool completely in the pan for at least 30 minutes, then lift the parchment and cut into 9 equal squares. Serve warm or at room temperature.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.